Good morning, gang. We are back. If you're new here, hello, and thank you for joining. If you are trying to find ways to make money in the UK, you've come to the right place. And if you're coming back, thank you. If you want to make money in the UK, honestly, the easiest way, which I've done in the past 6 weeks, is reselling. I currently have a bag here with about 13 parcels that I'm about to deliver. My most profit so far as well, all in one. I sold a Wii yesterday that I was given for free. What else did I sell? Yesterday, you would have seen me go and pick up all those really cool clothes. I sold those mad pair of green flares for 16 quid. And all of the other things that I got yesterday that I listed, they've all got loads of likes and favourites. Honestly, I think what I got yesterday is all really good stuff that I'm going to get full price for. I'm not going to have to do all this niggly little, here's an offer sort of thing. They're all just going to go. And if you follow along for the rest of this episode, the guy that I bought that stuff from yesterday, he made another TikTok yesterday after I left. And today, he's got, I think he said 50 of these bales that he's emptying on the floor. There's Ralph Lauren, Tommy Hilfiger, and all of those jeans and stuff that I got yesterday. Every item 3 quid. So if I go back today, if I get any more of those jeans, instead of paying £4, I'll be paying 3. So if there's any more of that green pair that fucking flew out yesterday, if I can get even 5 more of those, I'll be over the moon. So right now it's 7:20. Just gonna go deliver all my parcels, and then I'm going to the gym. It's push day, so that means it's chest, shoulders, and triceps. So I'm gonna do that for an hour. Then I'm gonna walk for an hour. Then it'll be 9:30. Then I'll start making my way to Q Flips to get some clothes. That opens at 10. I want to be one of the first there, if not the first there. I want hand picking. Then I'm going to collect my bits, go back home, and then I'm going to watch football from last night, because the second World Cup game was at like 3 a.m. and I knew I had things to do this morning, so I didn't want to stay up all night. Again, if you're just watching this now, I bulk these and do them in advance just to help out my life. So you probably are at, the quarterfinals or something. Technically, I'm at the same, but you'll see this a little bit out, like before I've posted it. Or after, I can't even work it out. So yeah, that's on the agenda for today. Then when I get back home, same as usual. Photos, list 10, delete and relist 10. Have a little look on eBay, see if there's any prices that I can amend, see if I can send any offers to buyers, and that's how I'm gonna do my day. And then tonight, more World Cup. I will also check the weather today, pack up my car, because I've got a whole car's worth of free stuff that I was donated. So tomorrow morning, if the weather's good, I will go and I'll do a car boot. I'll take you with me and I'll show you all of the bits that I've been given for free. Go in there obviously with 0, or actually it'll be like minus £8 or £13 or whatever it is to get my pitch, and then at the end I'll let you know exactly how much I make. These are all ways that you can do this, and I'm trying to get every single person out there to put their notice in, quit their fucking job, and if you follow everything I've done from day one until now, there's no reason why you need a job. You can just do this and then go off and do whatever you want when you want. Good mindset. Look at it in my world. Right, I'm here now. There we go. The most I've delivered so far. I even had to get a new bag. I broke my other bag, but this one's even better. My best friend. And we're back. There we go. Got these ones, they sold so well yesterday. And shorts, new with tags. Love to see it. Hey gang, so I just got my items. I got 50 items for 150 quid, £3 each. And one of them is outrageous. Like, one of them should pay for all of that. Right, I'm gonna get home and I'll show you. It's pretty incredible, to be honest. I checked with him as well to make sure it was free. He was like, "Oh, you found it. That's the one item that I threw in personally to see who got, and I got it. Wait until you see it." Gang, I am home. I am about to show you the motherload of clothes. I thought yesterday was good. This is insane. And I said to you, there's one item that if that sells, it's paid for all of it. And it's the last one you're going to see. All right, get ready for this. So first up, a festival windbreaker. Nike cargo pants, which I'll probably keep. Nike Rave Festival windbreaker. Women's pink Ralph Lauren shirt. A Barber jumper. I don't know what brands these are, but these jeans are sick. They're like really festivally. That's why I got them. A kids Ralph Lauren jumper. A kids Ralph Lauren coat. G-Star Raw cargo pants. This sick Nike windbreaker, which I'm actually going to keep. I love this. It's so sick for when I go to festivals. This vintage cool jumper, good for festivals as well. Vintage Nike 3/4 lengths, which I actually might use at a festival. They're really cool. Hugo Boss polo. Ralph Lauren polo. Gant polo. Lacoste polo. Tommy jeans. And Levi's 501 jeans. Ralph Lauren polo. Some sick Ralph Lauren women's jeans. I like this little pattern. Y2K flares stucker. Now, this is what I got yesterday. I listed one pair, and it was the best thing I've ever listed by far. It sold at full price $15.99, which is what I wanted. So I got this one, and there's actually, well, there's more that's going to come up later. Brand new with tags. Adidas, 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 Adidas. Berghaus, like hiking trousers, and they zip off to shorts. Wrangler jeans. Long sleeved Ralph Lauren polo. Hugo Boss polo. PSG trackies. Calvin Klein golf shorts. Ralph Lauren shirt. Ralph Lauren shirt. Tommy Hilfiger shirt. This sick colourful Puma like vintage windbreaker for a rave. Ralph Lauren polo. Some sick BDG jeans. And I got a pair of these when I was up in Bradford, if you remember, with the red dragon on it. They sold so well, so I had to get these. A vintage windbreaker. Lacoste polo. Ralph Lauren checked shirt. Armani jeans. Vintage Nirvana band tee. A Timberland shirt. Prada cargo pants. I'm pretty sure these aren't actually real, but they're so sick for like a festival. If someone pays like even 10, 15 quid, I don't really know, but if someone buys them, they'll look sick. A vintage Puma windbreaker, good for festivals, raves. Here we go, sports fans. This is where the money is. These ones with the red line, like the one I showed you earlier. So I've got another one of those, and I've got just a green pair, hoping that it does the same. And here we go. Oh my God. You see this? I just paid £3 for every item. This was £3 as well. It does have this tiny thing here, and if I flip her over, turn around to the back, little bit of damage on here, but guess how much this coat is? Its RRP is £1,590, and I just got it for £3. And like, I quite like it, but I'd never wear it, to be honest. Not because of the brand or anything, I just wouldn't wear it. But yeah, it's so sick. So I got 50 items. I spent 150 quid. The coat, if you actually look on eBay, there's somebody that's listed it for 436 quid. But there's none of this actual coat that's sold. So I don't really know what to price it at. If I kind of want a quick sale, even if I put it up for £300, that will double all of this. And then all of that, bearing in mind Ralph Lauren, all of that stuff that's there, that's all profit. God, I am onto something here, aren't I? Fucking, you can make money with zero. I am living proof, and you have to put in the fucking work. But I don't need to go and source stock now for at least a month. I don't have to go to car boots. I don't have to haggle and be annoyed by people because they're charging too much. I've got it here. Oh, I am over the moon. Right. I need to now make myself a cup of tea, relax, finished watching the second game of the World Cup because it was on at like 3 a.m. last night. And I'll have to list some items, take photos, list, do all the normal stuff. We are on here, gang. We are on. We are so on. Again, if you're liking this and you're following, please like, send me a comment. Tell me what item you think is the best. Not the Burberry, because we know that is. But out of all of the other things there, what do you think I'm going to make the most on? I'm absolutely buzzing with this. And yeah, if you're just starting, you're taking any advice and hints from me. If you need any information at all with what I've done, where to get stock from, I'm not gatekeeping a thing. I'm not gay. I'm not gatekeeping a thing. And if you need to know where I go, anything like that, just send me a comment or add me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all Kushti. Add me. I'll happily help everybody. I want everybody to succeed. I want everybody to quit their jobs, live the dream exactly like me. Right, tea time and get back to it. What a vibe. 90s kid. Cheers. Scenes. Retro. And the Nike cargo pants. Jesus. Like 3/4 lengths. Jesus. Get your festival gear in now, guys. Gang, I have listed 10 items and I've sold quite a few. I'm going to show you quickly. But all of those trousers, those genie things that I bought yesterday. So, you saw these mad ones that I got. I sold one of those yesterday. Obviously, I paid £4 for all of them. I sold it for $15.99. So, that's like full price for what I want it to be at. So, I sold one of them. One of these criminal damage. It's like sort of like cargo pants, massive pockets on the back. They're really cool. I sold one of those, and I sold. Sorry, I'm trying to handle everything. These ones, what I wanted to go for because I've got the eye for it. I've sold 2 of those. So what did I pay? 4, 8, 12, 16, and I sold 4, £64. Easy money. What else did I sell? Can't remember what else I sold. But yeah, just from listing a few yesterday and today, I've already sold 4 of them. They're the ones that I knew would sell. I haven't really listed any of the flares yet. I probably should have done that. Because I knew these ones would go. Oh, I just had a brainwave. Tomorrow I will list one of each colour of the flares. If the flares do well, like these, I'll go back and see them on Sunday and get some more. But I have got way too much stuff. Well, not way too much, it's good. I've got like 150 things to list. That's 15 days where I don't have to do anything really. But I still will. Yeah. What do you think of the room now? There's the board, Nathaniel, my best mate, and then all of the stuff up on the end. But yeah, I have just been chilling now. I don't need to do anything else today. It's always better if I wanted to list more like 15, 20, 25, 30, you can still do that, but I'm just going to stay consistent. I'm okay. Just let the money tick over, let it do its thing. And tomorrow's Saturday. I was going to do a car boot, but I realised tomorrow is Saturday. It's 6 fields, which is really small. It doesn't mean you won't make any money, but it's really small. And Sunday is the big one. Sorry, just can't stop burping. Sunday is the big one, Holcart, where I've been getting all of the stuff from, like you would have seen in my previous videos. So I think I'm going to just pack up my car tomorrow, have a day off. We'll go to the gym, do my steps, kind of have a day off, watch football, watch Formula 1, and then pack my car up and I'll go on Sunday, get it done on Sunday I think. The weather's looking great, so either day will be fine. And then that's all free. Whatever I make from that is profit, and I'll show you what I'm taking and so on. Yeah, don't really know what else to tell you, to be honest. Alright, fuck off. I will go and have a little rest, and if I come up with anything else, I'll let you know. Morning gang. I didn't film anything else last night. I just watched the football. Again, rejigged some of my listings. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 6 and they're all pretty good. Like, they're mainly those jeans that I was telling you about that I got. So that was good. But yeah, it's the next morning. It's a new day. I've got some things I need to do today. So I'm going to leave this one here. Again, if you like this video, please drop me a like and a comment, all that stuff. And I'll see you on the next one. On the next one, I am, which is this morning, posting. Just going to link the next video after. Going to be posting my stuff. I need to go get a food shop. I need to go get more packaging bags. I need to come home, pack my car in, like, with all of the car boot stuff. And then I need to start moving some more stuff from upstairs down into the living room. Hopefully we're moving next week. It's not fully guaranteed, but we want to get it all ready because it needs to be done anyway. So I've got things to do. There will be football on, and hopefully if I have a bit of time, I will probably still go to the gym. So yeah, thanks again for following. See you on the next one.